Hello everyone, I'm Krishna. In this video, I'm going to discuss about differentiating trigonometric expressions. For example, if we want to convert the sin x value with the differentiating value, then it changes the cos x value. At the same time, if you are differentiating the cos x value, then it changes negative of sin x value. Okay. For example, I have to solve a simple problem. So I have to take the y value which is equal to 4 cos x. So I already mentioned here, so the cos x value directly changes minus sin x. So simply I have to write the value of dy by dx, which is equal to minus of, there is a value as 4, so simply write the 4 and the value changes sin x here. At the same time, I am taking another one value, so if I am taking y value which is equal to 2 sin x, if I differentiate it dy by dx, then I already mentioned the sin value changes cos x here, so the value changes to cos x. Now we have to move on some interesting things in the cos x and sin x values. Now we have to discuss about the chain rule. The chain rule we have to use for some complicated problem, like the value was the whole in cubic, the value was whole in the power of some other values. For example, the chain rule, if they give the value of dy by dx, we have to convert the dy by dx first. We have to convert it as a dy by du, and then we have to convert it as du by dx format. For example, I am taking the value of y which is equal to 2x plus 4 the whole cube. First, I have to take the u value which is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, so first I have to differentiate the y with respect of u. So if I differentiate with respect of u, then the value which is here, I am checking the value which is u as 2x plus 4. So simply I have to write the u, and here it was in the power of 3. So simply you have to make the power with multiplication, and you have to subtract 1 from the power. So you got the value 3u squared. The second thing, you have to differentiate the du by the respect of dx value. Now you can see in this u equation, you got only one x value with the respect of 2. So the value which is equal to 2 here, and here there is no x value, so there is no answer. So simply you have to write the 2. Now I have to multiply the dy by du times of du by dx. So I can simply write 3u squared times of 2, which is equal to 6. It simply multiply 3 and 2, you got the value 6, and u squared, you have to just write 2x plus 4 here, and the power which is equal to square. So it's a finalized answer for the question. Now you can see another complicated problem, y which is equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 the whole power of half. So first, simple, I have to take the u value which is equal to inside the bracket. So simple, it's the 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. So now I have to do the differentiation of y with respect of u. It's a simple one, simple, it's a half. So you have to multiply the value with the half and the u value. So it's a half minus of 1 you have to calculate. So if you calculate it, the value changes half times of u power of minus 1 by 2. Now I have to differentiate the value of u in the respect of x. So you can see here there is a 2 power of 2 times of x squared plus 3x plus 4. So first I have to differentiate this. So it's the 2 power of 2, simply have to multiply with the 4, so it's a 4x, and the second value was a 3x. So simply write the 3 here. And the third one is 4, it's a whole number, so it is 0, so you have to lift it. So I found out dy by du and du by dx value. Now I have to multiply these values. So half u, I have to substitute the u value here, so it's a 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 power of the half, sorry, negative half times of 4x plus 3. Okay, so you can see it's a power of half, which means you can simply write the whole root. And one more thing, the whole root, it was a negative, so you can simply write as the denominator value. So you can write it as the whole root of 2x squared plus 3x plus 4, and here is 1 by 2, so simply write the 2 here, and the numerator value, there is 4x plus 1, sorry, 4x plus 3, So it's a finalized answer for the question. Here you can see one trigonometric expression. So y which is equal to 1 plus sin x whole cube. So first simple thing, you have to take the u value as 1 plus sin x. So u which is equal to 1 plus sin x, you have to take like this. After that the same, so first you have to differentiate the y with respect of du. So it's a 1 plus sin x, so I have to differentiate it. Simple, I have to write. Here it was a cubic value, so it's a cubic times of u square. It changes like this. After that, I have to differentiate the du in the respect of dx. So the first value is a 1, so simply skip the 1. So sin x value changes cos x here. So the value which is cos x. After that, I have to multiply dy and dx value. So it's a dy by du times of du by dx. So it's a 3u square, so I have to simply substitute the u value here. So it's a 3 times of 1 plus sin x power the square times of cos x. So it's a finalized answer for the question. Here you can check, they give the value y which is equal to sin 3x squared plus 4. So first simply I have to take the u value as 3x squared plus 4. Because they give the value was in bracket, so you have to simply take this value as a u1. Now the same thing. So first you have to find out the dy by du value. So it's the dy by du. Now simply you have to find out the value of dy by d. So here they give the value was in sin, so it changes cos here. So you have to simply write a cos u. And the next one you have to differentiate the u respect of x. So there is only one power value, so it's a 2 and 3. So you have to multiply 2 and 3, you got the value 6. So it's a 6x. The power will be changed as 1. And there's a whole number, you have to skip the whole number. So you got the value cos u and 6x. Now you have to find out the value of dy by dx, which is equal to cos u. So for the cos I have to write the cos, and the u I have to write the value 3x squared plus 4 here. What I am given here. So simply I have to write it here. Times of 6x. So I have to rearrange the formula like 6x cos 3x squared plus 4. So in the question you can see they give the y value which is equal to sin 2x the whole square. So they give the value as a whole square. So you have to take the u value which is equal to sin 2x. It's slightly different from the previous question. So the same, first you have to find out the dy by du value. So dy by du which is equal to, here they give the value, it's the whole power square, so it changes to u here. After if you are minusing 1, the power of s changes 1, so simply skip it. Next we have to find out du by dx value. So here you can see it was a sine, so the value was changed as cos, and here was the multiplication of 2. So the value, simply I write the cos 2x here. After that there is 2, so I have to multiply the value with the 2. So you can simply say it's a 2 times of cos 2x. Now the same, I have to find out the value of dy by dx here. So simple, first I have to write the value of 2u. So it's a 2 times of u, it's a sin 2x. What I am taking the u value here, so it's a sin 2x, so I simply write it here, times of 2 times of cos 2x. So you can see there are 2 and here is 1 2, so simply have to multiply 2 and 2, it changes 4. So 4 sin 2x times of cos 2x as a finalized answer. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.